Hey guys, it's Andrew from getterbots.com here, and in this video I'm going to show you something a bit more different than usual. I'm going to show you how to set up um, a cron to back up your website, your files, and your MySQL database daily. So what you need is basically you need a server. Uh, I'm not sure that this will work on a shared hosting account because you will need to be able to run Python on your server. Don't If your hosting websites allows it, that's cool. But you will also need SSH access, and I guess they don't provide that. So anyway, so basically you need the server. And in this example, I'm going to show you how I do it on my server using, my settings. Actually, I won't show you my settings, but how to get them. So basically, you have this setting. This is everything that you need to change from the backup website.py script. You can get this from getterbots.com. So first you have the MySQL settings. So what you could do if you don't know this, check on your server, check for the WordPress slash config.php file. I'm going to pause the video one moment. Okay, right back. So right now I'm connected to my server. I'm going to go to my website, and actually I won't do this, but just to show you what we have here are these files. So you will need to check this file for getting the WordPress MySQL stuff. WordPress config.php example. Okay, so this is how it looks exactly on my server as well, but I don't want to show you my settings. So you will just have to put your stuff here. So the database name, you will have to put it here, database user right here, password here, your website folder. Now in my case it's this one. This is my websites folder. You can use the you can put a public HTML, but if you have some other folders than public HTML that you want to back up for, you can do that as well. So this would be the the one for my script. The backups number. So this it's set to 3 by default. This number will keep 3. For example, in this case 3. It will keep all the time 3 databases. So since I will run the script daily, I will have a backup for the last 3 days all the time on my server, including the files and also the MySQL queries, the SQL files. So if you put this, let's say you want to have all the backups from the last 7 days, one backup per day, you just put it to 7, but I think 3 is pretty enough. So the working directory can be for example, in my case it's home icebox. This is it. I have some stuff right here, but you can put your user and backup or website backup. This folder doesn't need to exist, but you can, it can be there if it is, but if it's not, the script will create it. So you don't have to change anything from above. So I will pause the video, just copy and do the modifications. Okay, so I just did the settings modifications on my side and copy it into my server. I have it in this location. So again, if you don't know how to copy it, you can do it from terminal if you're on Linux or Mac, or if you're on Windows you can use putty in the same fashion, some sort of like so if you want to copy files, you just do scp, you put the your file, for example backup website.py, you put your user, your IP and your path, for example home icebox documents scripts, and you hit enter. It will ask you for the user's password and it will copy it. If not, you can use cpanel if you have cpanel, or FTP with FileZilla. Anyway, so now let's say that you have it on your server. You will have to do this just to make sure that it has execution rights. Now I will do this Chrome tab. Yeah, so I already have it set it up here. You can see that it's the Python file, and this is basically this stuff. Here are the minutes, so it can be any minute. This is a cron job basically. So these are the minutes, the hours, and the days, the months, and I don't quite remember this one, but anyway, this if this star, if it's set to 0, the second one, this means that this script will start every day at 0000, so you'll just have to do it like this and just do a restart. I'm on CentOS, so if you're on Ubuntu or something different, maybe you'll have some different comments, but on CentOS you can do it like this. Service from the restart, put your password, restarted, and just to make sure that it started at, actually let me just stop it so that I don't break things. Check config cron d on. So this makes sure that the cron server, the cron daemon, is starting at at boot time. So I will just start it. Okay, all good. So right now it will work like every day, and oops, I don't have any backup here, but let me just show you actually that it is working, and I will put here something like this. This should run every minute basically, so let me do a restart again just to make sure that it's loaded. I will just check here what I have and what I don't have. You can see that I have it created the backup folder, and I have here files. So but let me just remove them so we are sure that it's working. So right now it should do it every minute. Let me just check something. Okay, it should do it in like a few seconds. We should have the backup folder created with the files and SQL folder in it. now you can see that I have a new one. Yep, everything's there. So also right here you see that it actually did it, and also the database is the files, sorry, not the database, the archive. All the files in it are with the permissions, the original permissions. So yeah, I just want to show you one more thing, that I will run it myself a few times. Even though you shouldn't do this because it's too much probably for it. But if you have a strong server, no. So I just want to show you that yeah. That you will have all the time three backups, no matter what. So because I've set the number right here, 3, but I have already 3 because I've started the script myself. But if you just let the cron do its thing, you will have a backup for every day, the last backups number days. Thanks for watching, and again, the script is available on getyourbuzz.com. Have a nice day. Bye.